Hey you guys, Molly here with Design Loves Detail, and I'm sharing more of the new stuff that's at Target right now for spring. Stay tuned. So today is kind of a mix of stuff. If you missed the other video, I shared the new Studio McGee collection for Target last time, and they have some really great pieces. So a lot of these go well with those, and I can't wait to share more. Lots of really cute pottery. I'm loving this natural color. It looks just kind of like clay pottery. This is $20, this little vase, really cute. I love the shapes, organic. And then they have a mix too, like this cute pedestal bowl. I love pedestal bowls, so this is a really fun one as well that coordinates. And these just look so good on a shelf where you can kind of just like put the whole collection as a little family. They can be happy together on a shelf, whatever, maybe for a coffee table like the bowl. And there's even a plant stand. This is actually a little stand. You could use it this way if you wanted, but it's technically a little plant stand. So that's cute. And then this is another one. I somehow ordered two of these just because I'm crazy like that. This one's kind of like a bowl as well, but you can see how they all just look so great together. These actually remind me of the pieces that H&M has and that I have used and love. This one actually came broken, but you can see kind of the gist of it. Whole backside, good times. So I have to go. Didn't know the piece was inside still. Anyways, but you can, if you ever have something arrive broken, just take it back to Target customer service, or you can even do it online. I think you can just file it right online and put the picture of the damaged piece. They're pretty darn good. Anyway, so love that whole collection. There's also, actually this is from there too, this huge one. So that's like the granddaddy of the family. Great shape with that too. Again, just really modern, natural, organic, and kind of that sandy tone with a little bit of variation. So it does actually look, I think, like they do look higher end than they really are. And these stems that are in here are one of my favorites. They're so cute. They are $5 each and just so pretty. Actually, I think they might be on clearance online. So I highly recommend because they have a very springy look, but they're good year round. They're not like one that feels too specific to a season. Just a great natural looking kind of faux stem. This is 1, 2, 7 of them together makes a pretty good bunch so that you can have a pretty full centerpiece or maybe something for your entry console, something like that. And let me just hold up this vase real quick again with nothing in it so you can see the size and how that looks. While I'm talking about vessels too, most of these, honestly, most of what I'm sharing today is vases and stuff like that. This one is really cute. I'm loving this kind of like scallop detail in it. And this one comes in two sizes. This is the smaller of the two. I wasn't able to get the large one yet, but I hope to because they look really good together. This one's $14.99. So I think that price-wise, this is one of the better deals that Target has. I think that that's really reasonable, and it does definitely have a high-end look to it, especially it's so cute with that larger one with it. As far as planters, of course, we're getting into that almost springtime. We have warmer weather here because we live in the desert. So it's like almost like, I think we have like a 60-degree day this coming week, which I'm excited about. So that being said, we can get started earlier, but I'm always thinking of like planters and things like that. And this is a really cute planter. This one is from Hearth and Hand collection at Target, and it is really pretty. It looks like those vintage crocks. Like my mother-in-law has some of her plants in the real authentic crocks, and I love them. So this is kind of like a remake of it, but the quality on it is really good. It's nice and solid. And then it's a more matte finish, kind of like really neutral. It's almost got a gray. You can kind of see compared to like some of these other pieces, it almost has a gray undertone to it, which I think is great. It's really pretty, really neutral, and just really matte finish. So good size. I'm gonna put some real live olives. They do well in our climate here because it's so warm. So I'm gonna probably do two of these by like my front door with some of the real olive. They're called little olives, the ones that I get. And they're actually a reasonable price. Like our nursery had them, I think, for like around $15 for those olive plants. And I have two that are still alive from last year. So I feel like they're not that easy to kill, which is very encouraging for plant killers out there like myself. It's good news. Anyway, really cute. And how much was this? Let me look. It was kind of spendy. It was $39.99, but again, it's just really quality. And those authentic vintage crocks are like $200. Like they're expensive. So this is a really good dupe for the real thing. And then these, I love these. Okay, this is perfect for pantry organizing. I think they're really cute for laundry room. You can just put the different like laundry soap with a little scoop in there, or those little laundry packs, those kinds of things. These are $14.99 and they're a really good size. I just think perfect for organizing. I'm gonna be doing a lot of organizing stuff with the new year. We really need it because we went from like over 6,000 square feet to 2,000 square feet is what our house is now. And we have 4 kids. So it's pretty tight, but like I've definitely been amazed at how like planning and organizing can totally make the space work for us, and it has. So I'm gonna be doing a little bit more organizing because things have gotten kind of crazy in some areas that I never did organize yet. I'm gonna be getting to, so stay tuned for some of those projects. But I think that these are gonna be really cute for a couple different spaces in our home because I really do like it to look nice too. Like obviously being organized is one thing, but then having it also look really great, it matters to me. I'm sure not everybody cares as much, but I love it when I get to see it all organized. Like that makes it worth it for me to organize because it looks pretty at the end. So these are great, love those. And then kind of along the same lines, these are really cute little organizers too. Great for like, they kind of pitch it as a bathroom for your bathroom countertop. You can keep stuff inside these. I honestly think they'd work anywhere and really cute just in, I think even on a kitchen shelf, like little canisters. Really, really awesome finish because it feels, I don't know, they just feel really expensive to me, and kind of like a greenish undertone, which you know I love. So kind of grayish, but with a green undertone. And then there's a set of 3, and so they're just so cute together. I just love things that are a little family. So like my art teacher, I always talk about her, but I miss her so much. She would say, Mom, like when you're painting, you do mom, dad, and kids shapes because that's like how things are in nature. So mom, dad, kids. Anyways, I love that there's 3 sizes in these. Super useful and cute. And then just the top of them, and they're really good price. This little one's only $5.99, $9.99, and $12.99. So really, really cute little guys. And again, stay tuned for more organizing soon. Gonna put all these to good use. And those just are so pretty. If they're out on your counter or whatever, they just are really cute. They have also this one's Threshold brand, but they have multiple different collections of faux plants. I shared some last time too, but this one is a little maidenhair fern, and it's in this little wood pot. This one's $10, and there's one that's like quite a bit bigger that's $20, and they're just so dang cute. So definitely a good time to go grab if you want to add a little greenery after you take down your Christmas decor. These are another one that's really, really good for that, and just adds that little kind of a fresh feeling, even though it's fake. Those are some of my favorites right now over at Target. Again, check out last week's video if you missed it, and subscribe, hit that bell to be notified of future videos. We're happy to have you here. Thank you guys for watching. You can also see more of my projects and then daily deals over on Instagram at Design Loves Detail, or my blog, designlovesdetail.com, where you can sign up for the newsletter. Anyway, see you guys next time.